Can you feel it? Can you feel it? It feels good, right? Like it feels like things are shifting and we're changing. My throat chakra is opening up, obviously. She's going through stuff. My root chakra is going through things. Like, it's just magical right now. Here's the thing. I want you to take a breath. Because even if you feel like nothing is changing, even if you feel like you're stuck in the same cycles and you're like, Brie, nothing is going to change. Like, everything is staying the same. I don't see anything different. In fact, it's getting worse. Take a breath. Because the thing is when we can come to a calm place, when everything is blowing up, when everything is going sideways, when we can stay calm about this and we can be like, oh, okay, well, that's happening. So I guess let me see if I can figure out another way of doing this, so it's kind of like you're like, okay, maybe I need to figure out some other way of doing this. You can't pay this bill. Cool. How is another way that you can pay that bill? What is another way that you can turn around and do that? And it's kind of like the universe is saying, hey, I'm giving you these ideas. Like, I'm giving you these stoppers, almost like blockers. It looks like it's like roadblocks, but really what that bill is, that you can't pay, it's saying is there's another way for you to make money. There's another way for you to do this. And by me putting that out and putting it in front of you, you're forced to find a different way, which is helping you go in a different direction, which is helping you go in the right direction. See what the universe does there? She's a little trickster, right? She does things, okay? Even when we feel like she is not doing things, she is doing things. She is working in the background. She's doing all sorts of stuff. It's just we as humans can't perceive it. We as humans are sitting there going, that doesn't make any sense. Why would that doesn't make any sense. Like, why is this happening to me? Or we get super upset and we're like, I can't do this. I can't do this. Everything keeps happening. I keep finding roadblocks. I keep hitting a roadblock after a roadblock after. And so our logical brain automatically looks for the bad, right? But the universe is like, I'm delivering these things for you. I'm doing these things. So when we start looking for the good, or we're like, okay, how's another way that we can do this? Or what is another way that we can figure out how to do this? Then the positive starts to show up. And then we're able to actually manifest. Then we're able to actually work with the universe. It takes a lot, I know, because I get it. When you're hit with that really big bill, or you're sitting there going, I don't know how I'm going to do it this month. I don't know how I'm going to do it. And it's really, really hard for you to figure it out. When you find that calming space, that's when those ideas come to you. So when you can find the calm in the chaos, that is when the ideas come to you. That is when your aha moments come through. That is when some of the biggest, most influential people in the world have made it. It was right when they were about to break. It's right when they literally hit rock bottom and they were like, I can't do it anymore. And then all of a sudden, an idea popped through and they went, that makes sense. Cool. I got it now. I can do this. So, again, those roadblocks, they're there for a reason. When you can find the calm in the chaos, that's when you find the ideas. That's when you can start to move forward. That's when you're like, this makes sense. I know what to do. Maybe that job isn't serving you anymore. Maybe even though you're an entrepreneur, there's another way for you to make money and it's in this direction and you're still trying to go in that direction and it's not working anymore. Think about it. How are your sales doing? How are you getting clients? Whatever entrepreneurship you're in, think about it. Maybe the universe is like, there's something better in this direction. Just follow me. It's like she's almost like frustrated. She's like, just follow me. Listen to me, okay? Anywho, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I'm going to be working on my store all day today so it can officially launch today. The rebrand. It's all beautiful. It's ready to go. We just got to work on inventory today, counting inventory so that we can launch it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.